So it's a very good morning, friends. So we have plants which we shall be watering today morning. As you can see, we have the sprinklers. So today we are having poha, masala poha for breakfast. Let's have it. Hope you enjoy it too. So, hello friends. Welcome back to our home lockdown vlog. Hope you all are doing well. That should be how it should be. You should always wear a mask. Always remember that, to wear a mask. It's very important, as we are seeing lakhs and lakhs, average of 3 lakh patients being scanned and admitted to hospital records a day. So in these bad times, we hope we should take care of ourselves, having a steam and hot water throughout the day. Steam to inhale through your nose to kill the virus, and as hot water to clear the throat of all such symptoms of the coronavirus. So days are a little bad, so please take care of yourselves, and hoping for the best for the lockdown to unlockdown, as we would say. We are not used to such a condition, as everybody is quite in a bad condition. Praying for all who are in that condition. May God help them through their daily pressures of life. Give them the courage to go ahead, to think ahead of the present. So, on a lighter note, have a good day and enjoy whatever you are doing at the mere present. Don't think too much of the future, but the future will be bright as in times to come. So, after a heavy breakfast, light breakfast. So, welcome back to our channel from the Mumbai travel vlogger in his home lockdown vlogs, as there's no much of venturing on the streets of Mumbai or in India, as we can see, as lockdown has been extended till the end of this month of May. So having said all that, let's go to our next thing, as we have received a parcel from Amazon. Let's do its unboxing, unpackaging, and let's see what's inside. If you want to order this t-shirt, there will be a link in the description of this video. So go ahead and order your t-shirt. Thank you. So we have ordered a t-shirt which is of $3.99, and it is delivered to us after a period of 15 days. 15 days prior we had ordered it, but since there was the lockdown credentials which were no delivery during those days, so here's what we have, the bill and its details. And as you can see, ooh, quite pretty. From Katso. So how would you like the design? So it's a medium sized t-shirt, so let's wear it. Let's put it on. See you on the other side. So how do you like this t-shirt? It's a medium size, except the color is little too dark. So finding a good fit. It's a really good fit, as you can see. Oh, it looks good. Thanks, Amazon. So friends, after a good morning breakfast, it's time for lunch. So being a Sunday, we would always expect some little non-veg, some chicken, and here we have it. Chicken curry, chicken fried, tandoori, bread, and some coconut chutney. So as we are having our food, a little pastime as we see our own vlogs, the only thing that can be done right now. This is the vlog traveling on the end-to-end ferries from Taukte to Alibag. So there will be an iCard somewhere up where you all can follow this video. Enjoy the video, guys, as I am enjoying my food. So it's a very good experience where we can watch our vlogs on the TV, on a smart TV. So after a good lunch, it's time to take some rest. So you all too can take some rest. See you all later.
तर आज आम्ही आलो आहे शेलार उपहारगृह. आम्ही आज ब्रेकफास्ट जरा लेट करतोय माथेरानमध्ये. पोट दुखतंय म्हणून आज सकाळपासून खाल्ले नाहीये. तर बघू आज काय. तर आजची मेनू का मेंदू वडा. हे घ्या मेंदू वडा. हे आहे कलेश. हाय कलेश. हॅलो. हाय. हाय ते. संतोष गोड. संतोष गोड.
So, just looking at our vlogs, our old, a few months ago vlogs that we have done. Just going through those vlogs on this Sunday with some homemade ice cream. Hope you will like it. It's toasted. Some mango flavor ice cream. So, have the ice cream. So we are ending our vlog with this rainy morning, Monday the 17th May, as we have heard of the cyclone Taukte entering into the Arabian Sea towards Mumbai, and little glance of it, as you can see, is through the streets of Thane, where we have just got a little rain, drizzle showers, and quite much more, and much more in store. Hope nothing worse happens to anybody, praying for that. While at Talao in Thane, near Gadkari Rangaitan, Masunda talao, having a great view around the talao as rains start to pour in. Hope you have a good time with these visuals. So stay indoors, stay safe, and always wear a mask. Leaving you with these beautiful pictures. It's time to say goodbye from the Mumbai travel vlogger. See you guys. See you all soon. Please do take care of yourselves and stay indoors. Thank you.